Next example, as observed from the top of a 75 meters high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depressions of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. Here, let AB. AB is the height of the lighthouse, 75 meters, and C and D are C and D are positions of two ships. Okay, C and D are positions of two ships. This is the sea level. As observed from the top of a lighthouse. A is the top of the lighthouse. From the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, here one ship is exactly behind the other one. Okay, angle of depression. Draw horizontal line. This is the angle of depression, 30 degrees. From top of a lighthouse to ship. Okay. Next, angle of depression 45 degrees. See, this horizontal line is exactly parallel to BD. Okay, these two lines are parallel. Then interior alternate angles are equal. Okay, see, this angle is, these two lines are parallel, so this angle exactly equal to this angle. So this is angle D equal to 30 degrees. In same way, here angle of depression 45 degrees. So alternate, interior alternate angles are equal. So angle C equal to 45 degrees. Okay. From triangle ABC. ABC is the right angle triangle. Tan 45 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB by adjacent side BC. AB equal to 75 meters. BC by BC. Tan 45 1. Therefore, BC equal to 75 meters. Here we have to find distance between two ships. Okay. To find CD, we know BC equal to 75 meters. See, ABD is the right angle triangle. From triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees equal to opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BD. Here BD equal to BC plus CD. Okay, BD equal to BC plus CD. Tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. BC equal to, we know AB equal to 75 meters, BC equal to 75. We don't know CD. /75 plus CD equal to 75 into root 3. Okay, cross multiplication. 75 plus CD equal to 75 into root 3. Here 75 minus 75 root 3 equal to minus CD. Here minus is common. Minus 75 is common. Root 3 minus 1. Minus CD. Minus minus get cancel. Therefore, CD equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1. Okay. Therefore, distance between two shifts equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meters.